if you're planning to start a new business during this pandemic, I have a suggestion for you. I suggest you to sell balloons. You might be thinking selling balloons is a simple thing, right? Yes, this is a simple thing, but it has got great potential. You see, because of this pandemic, many businesses slowed down and many businesses ran into losses and they got closed. But there are few businesses which are evergreen, like essentials like grocery stores and pharmacy stores. So not only that, theoretically there are limited number of essential things, but practically thinking, there are many other opportunities where despite the pandemic or recession, whatever is the thing, so there are some evergreen businesses. So one of them is selling balloons. I will explain. I'm Ramesh Nagupandi, co-founder Balloons Unlimited. We are based in Hyderabad. What we do is we import balloons, party supplies and related equipment from across the globe. We also do R&D to come up with some products and all. We have got a patent and we are applying patents and design registrations for a few more products. In a few months back, there was a second wave, right? A Corona second wave. So that time, we are based in Hyderabad. At some point of time, there was 4 hours relaxation time was given to open the stores, not only party stores, for everyone. So that is from morning 6 to 10 o'clock. So we were operating from 6:30 to 9:30. So before our store manager comes to open our store, people were waiting. We are not a grocery store, we are not a pharmacy store. Still people are waiting. Why? Because they are celebrating someone's birthday, their loved one's birthday or baby shower or naming someone, be it anything. So that's why they are here for buying the balloons and party supplies. Balloons are essential. I am not saying that you need balloons every day, but you will be needing them when you are celebrating something. Now if you see, celebration has become essential part of the life. I will tell you, when I was, in my childhood, when I was 1 year old, there was no first birthday celebration. Why? Because that culture was not there. Even when I was in school, my birthday means I will buy a pack of chocolates and I will distribute it to my friends and teachers. That's it. The celebration is done, not more than that. But now things have changed. You see, if it is a first birthday, even a middle class, below middle class guy also will invite his friends and family members, relatives, and he will celebrate. And also, even if it is second birthday, third birthday, fourth birthday, even kids' birthdays also, at least there would be a simple gathering of 20 to 30 people and there would be a celebration at home itself, at least. So there will be a cake cutting and there will be some simple decoration. So simple decoration means obviously people will need to buy balloons and party supplies. So now the new trend has started. Even people are celebrating half birthday of their kids. Even the trend is already there in the cities and now it is entering in the towns as well. And moreover, other than these birthdays, there will be other occasions also, right? Baby showers, naming ceremonies, retirement parties, be it anything. Earlier, balloons are meant only for birthdays. But now, we have come up with the balloons for baby showers, bridal showers and many other occasions. Not only balloons, even party decorations. When you look, earlier baby shower means people, that's a traditional occasion, right? People prefer to go for a traditional decoration. But now we have decoration which very much suits for these kind of occasions. You can see the pictures here. So the customer budget is 5,000 or 50,000, it doesn't matter. We have a very good looking decoration for them for any occasion, right? So that is what the potential. And not only these personal events, even the special days like Valentine's Day, New Year's, Father's Day, Mother's Day, for all these special days, so these companies and stores they like to decorate their stores and offices, right? So there is a lot of potential. Now you know that selling balloons means setting up a party store is a good business opportunity. So you can start your own or else you can take our franchising. So why you should take our franchise? Because you will get training, continuous support and guidance and many other benefits. I will tell you one thing. Let's say it doesn't matter how small or big is your business. Even if you're setting up a small roadside tea stall or you're setting up a very big business, it doesn't matter. You will get into some problems and challenges. That is obvious. So we are into this business since for more than 13 years and we have gone through many problems and challenges and we know how to face them. We know solutions. We have solutions in place. So when you take our franchise, you will leverage our experience and you will only focus on the revenue generation from the day one, because you don't need to deal with the problems and challenges because we have solutions ready for you. That is one thing. And one more thing, we import balloons, party supplies, equipment from across the world. So we have wide collection of balloons for all occasions and all budgets. We have balloons starting from 1 rupee to 1000. Even we have a balloon costing 2000 as well. And we have balloons for birthdays, kids' birthdays, adult birthdays, baby showers, bridal showers, retirement parties. You name any occasion, we have balloons and party supplies for that occasion. We also have party decoration. So all these products, you will get it in a single window. So many of these products are not available outside. You might be thinking that there are many other party stores where you can get a variety of balloons, right? You will get variety of balloons and party supplies, but we have all the varieties which are available outside. We also have the varieties which are exclusive to Balloons Unlimited, because we import from across the globe and we also do R&D. So you are going to leverage the wide variety of these products and the products which are in-house made because of our R&D efforts. So coming to product range, we have balloons from China, India. So you can get these balloons anywhere. So, but we have balloons from Thailand, we have balloons from US, we have balloons from many other different countries which are not available outside. Even the equipment you can see here, like a gift in a balloon. This mission is made in US, imported from US, and this is not available outside. We also have unique collection of balloons like singing balloons. Have you ever seen a balloon singing? We have singing balloons. We also have helium. We do fill helium into the balloons. We sell helium balloons. You can see. So we have portable cylinders. We have regulators. You won't be able to get a helium regulator because that is not available outside. And also we have portable cylinders. You can have a look at our portable cylinder. So that is not available outside. You are going to get all these products, knowledge, processes at one place. Talking about the success rate, we have 96% success rate. We have close to 100 franchisees and we have 96% success rate. You might be thinking, remaining 4% is failure, right? But I can tell you one thing, there is no 100% success rate in any business. Even if you go for your own business or even if you go for a franchisee of a multinational brand, there is no 100% guarantee. But only thing is that we can get as close to as 100. So we have been giving franchise since last 5 years. These 5 years we have learned a lot. So now we are focusing on getting that success rate close to 100%. So that is one thing. And coming to investment would be a minimum 8 to 10 lakhs. And it can vary from city to city, and even we have franchises who have invested 20 lakhs and 30 lakhs also. I'm talking about the minimum investment. So at a high level, investment would be, there would be a 2 lakh franchisee fee and approximately 3 lakhs for the initial stock, and also remaining is for the store setup and some miscellaneous items. So it would be 8 to 10 lakhs. And coming to the support, what we provide is, we provide all the items in a single window, including helium cylinders, regulators, gas, even our in-house products like float more, glitter panels, and also all various US foil balloons, China foil balloons, China party supplies, Indian party supplies, be it anything, you are going to get everything at a less than wholesale price from us. That is one thing. And another thing is that we provide you comprehensive training. Comprehensive training means we are into the sales and also we are into services, right? When you open a franchisee, you sell balloons and party supplies in your store. You will also send your team for party decoration at customer place. So for that, you need to know your team needs to know how to do the decor, and also you will need to know how to give a quotation. There are many things. So you are going to get a comprehensive training. And you are going to get early access to all our signature products, and we keep doing R&D. We a couple of months back we got a patent, and soon we are expecting a few more patents and design registrations for our products. So these R&D products, first we will only give it to our franchises. You can see, if you can spend some time on our Facebook page, you can see a beautiful decors with the shimmering walls. That is called glitter panels. Those are not available anywhere in India. That is only manufactured by Balloon Salam Limited. There are some China variants, but their look and quality is not good. And there are compared to our panels, the features are very less. There are very limitations. So you're going to leverage all these benefits. And coming to return on investment. Now I can't give you the exact figures, but we can talk in detail when you call our team or when you come to visit our office. We can discuss in detail when you meet. But I can tell you one thing. Some of our franchises were software engineers, bank managers, HR managers, and a few of them were running some other businesses. And many of them quit their careers after taking our franchise because they have seen the success. And many of our franchises have opened multiple franchises. Some of them have 2 franchises, 3 franchises, and some of them are going for the 4th franchisee also. That itself will tell you how successful it is. The only thing is that there is hell lot of potential. You just need to know how to tap it, and we will help you tap it. Our dream is to spread across India. Now we only have close to 100 franchises, but our milestone is to reach 500 franchises as early as we can, because we don't want to say no to anyone, because every day we will get lot of inquiries for balloons and party decorations from across the India, but we don't have franchises across India. We have franchises in very limited places. So usually our team will say, sorry, our services are not available in your city. We don't have any franchise store in your city, but we don't want to say it again and again. Because if somebody is interested in our product and services and we are not able to cater them, so that is a failure. So we don't want to fail. We want to succeed. You help us succeed and we help you succeed. You help us reach all the corners of India. We will help you set up a successful business. That's a win-win situation. You might be in a dilemma whether it is a good opportunity or not. You might be thinking, if you go forward and take this opportunity, if the business fails, you will lose investment. You also might be thinking, if you're not grabbing this opportunity, you might be losing a great opportunity to be a successful business manager. What I suggest is, you just reach to our team. You can see the number here. You can call us. We can talk over the phone. We encourage you to come to our office at Hyderabad if possible. So you will get to know more. You also spend some time on our YouTube channel and Facebook page. You will get to know more. You try talking to some of our franchises. You can find their numbers on our website. So you will get the full information. Then you will be able to take an informed decision. Informed decision means taking a decision after knowing everything. So that would be a good decision. So you will come to know whether this business opportunity is right for you or not, or else, like, when we talk to you, we will come to know whether you are the right person for this business opportunity or not. So please feel free to call or reach on this number.